Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, fully responsive, totally free. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. You see the beautiful e-commerce template look. See my friends, top bar, main navigation, just beautiful mini cart, wish list, and other user section. Beautiful search, category toggle, another social icons, and the main beautiful slider. See guys, just beautiful. You will like it, great. And other sections, see guys, products of the week, just brilliant. See, cabbing works brilliant. And beautiful hover effect guys, feature product section, see beautiful hover effect as well. Scroll top as well. Browse more, all categories, and beautiful footer section. See the services and the beautiful footer icons. Scroll to top. And guys, like always, it's fully responsive. Like I said, let me show you its responsiveness. See guys, fully responsive, e-commerce template will work for all the devices. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And here's my blog. You will get course snippet here. See, all the course snippet you will get from here. See my guys, with live demo as well. Here's all index.html file code, and via this you will get all the assets. See my friends, all the assets folder from here. Now place inside asset folder, and here is index.html file code as well. So guys, this is it, and friends on my blog as more you'll get multiple free things like multiple free admin dashboard templates as well. See, all are free of cost, and Angular, React.js, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, and Bootstrap 5 stuff as well. So friends, this is it, and guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.